Welcome to our channel. Amazon Prime Video's X-ray feature provides detailed information about what you're watching. Here's how to use this helpful tool. Step 1. Start playing any movie or TV show on Prime Video using your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet for X-ray to function properly. Step 2. While the content is playing, tap or click on the screen to bring up the playback controls and menu options. Step 3. Look for the X-ray icon, which typically appears as an eye information symbol or says X-ray directly on the screen. Step 4. Tap or click the X-ray icon to open the feature. You'll see information about the current scene, including actors, characters, and music. Step 5. Browse through different tabs within X-ray, such as cast, music, trivia, and scene details, to learn more about what you're watching. Step 6. Tap on any actor's name to view their biography, filmography, and other Prime Video content they've appeared in. Step 7. Use the timeline feature in X-ray to see which actors appear in different scenes throughout the content. Step 8. Add songs you discover through X-ray to your Amazon Music playlist with a single tap if you have an Amazon Music subscription. Step 9. Close X-ray by tapping outside the information panel or pressing the X button to return to normal viewing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.